Hello guys, and welcome to another quick video. And in this quick video I'm going to be showing you how you can receive your crypto on your Coinbase mobile app step by step. And our first step is opening up Coinbase, and once it's opened up, you simply use the icon at the top left corner of the screen. You click on it and you click on receive. It shows you your name and your account details, and then you select the wallet you would like to use. We have our Bitcoin wallet here. We have our Bitcoin Cash. Any of these wallets basically have their own QR code and wallet addresses. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can receive cryptocurrency on your Coinbase mobile app, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.